I'm here to show you how you strip back this multi-strand wire that is a really common item used in the sprinkler world. It's basically what I do is I set it down on a flat surface carefully. Don't cut too deep on it, but just score the outside in a straight line. It's down about as far as you want it. Right here where that line intersects right there, I typically just cut in deep enough right there to be able to open it up and to get one of the wires out, just like that. Close this up so nobody gets cut. There is this little nylon deal that you can use to pull it back. Most of the time it does not, you can't find it, and that's why I pull out the wire so that I can use the wire to pull it back. And as you can see, it's kind of crossing right there. Sometimes I'll have to switch to a different color, and then I just basically just pull it back to the end of where I had cut it right there, and then pull the sheath or all the wires out of the sheath, whether you pull the sheath off or the wire out of the sheath, whichever you can get it to do. Just like that. That's about how far I usually go back. If I need to go back farther, then I'll lay it back down and then score it a little farther and pull just a little bit more. And like I say, if you score deep enough, your goal is to get not all the way through this outside coating, but enough that it splits very easily. Just open that back up, cut this part off that's no longer needed. And I decide how many of them that I'm going to need. So I'm going to need, in this case, the red, the blue, and the white. I fold the rest of them out of the way, down, and then I roll them around because they become the spare wires. Just like that. You can see I've already done it in the controller side. And now we've got the 3 wires that we need to be able to wire our sprinkler valves. You then use right here the 22 gauge on the solid side, 22 gauge, and you just pinch in about 1/2 inch worth. You see right here, 1/2 inch, maybe a little over 3/8, a little under 1/2 inch, somewhere around there, so that you can get enough wire exposed and still be able to cover it with the wire nuts.